everyone! What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Faye, and for today's video, gagawa ako ng easy, affordable, and budget-friendly na makeup tutorial. This is very, very fresh. As you can see, yung lahat ng products na gagawin ko for today is affordable, and yung gagawin ko today is very easy. So, if you guys are interested in this video, then please keep on watching.
I'm so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
So, yung una natin gagamitin, syempre, we don't skip primer. So, yung primer na gagamitin ko is yung Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. So, ito yung gagamitin. Oh my God, ang ingay! Pwede huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung ingay kasi lalakasan ko lang ng konti yung boses ko para marinig nyo ako, diba? Okay. So, yung gagamitin ko pang primer is yung Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. I know you're all familiar with this one. So, pabus na nga siya. Maganda to. Promise, para siyang, alam niyo yung baby skin, yung pore eraser ng Maybelline. Para siyang ganun. Okay. Pagtapos, nilalakasan pa talaga. Ano ba yan? Nilalakasan pa talaga. Ang gagamitin kong foundation is yung EB Advanced Studio Finish Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Creme. Cream yung nakalagay sa likod. So, yun yung gagamitin ko. So, I'm just going to put this all over my face. Hindi ko na siya masyadong kakapalan. Then, I'm just going to blend this with a damp sponge. After ng foundation, ang concealer na gagamitin ko is from Maybelline. Ito yung Fit Me concealer nila. This is in the shade Medium Moyen. After nyan, girls, ang ingay talaga. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. So, biblend din natin siya using the damp sponge, yung ginamit natin kanina. Ilalagay ko na din siya dito sa eyelids ko para primer. Kasi maglalagay tayo ng eyeshadow mamaya. After putting your concealer, pwede natin siya i-bake. Yung ginamit kong powder pang set ng concealer is from Nichido. It's Creamy Glow. So, habang binibake natin yung powder, magkikilay na ako. Yung pangkilay na gagamitin ko is from Careline. It's the Careline Best Brown Liner. This is in the shade Taupe. After nyo magkilay, pwede natin i-brush off yung powder na nilagay natin kanina. Ang gagamitin ko naman pang set ng buong face ko is the SanSan Age Defense 2-Way Cake Foundation in the shade 01. Maglalagay na ako ng eyeshadow. And yung eyeshadow palette na gagamitin ko is from Nichido. Hindi ko alam, pero ito lang ata yung meron sila. Ewan ko kung meron pa itong ibang shade selection, pero ito yung loob niya. Yan. Wala naman siyang pangalan eh. Kasi ito yung pinakadulo. Kukunin ko lang itong shade ito para sa highlight ng brow bone ko. Yung gagamitin kong bronzer is yung from FS Powder Blush. Nakita niyo na to. This is in the shade Warm Chiffon. This is from Bench. I don't know kung may shade to. Actually, ang naaalala ko lang, yung shade na makukuha mo is depende dito sa nakalagay sa packaging niya. After nyan, mag-eyeliner ako. So, this one's Careline Graph Ink Liner. This is waterproof daw. I don't know. So, after the eyeliner, maglalagay na ako ng mascara. But before that, syempre, mag-curl ako ng lashes. Hello. Magli-lipstick na ako. And yung lipstick na gagamitin ko is from Pinkies Collection. This is in the shade Bark. Yung highlighter na gagamitin ko is from Careline. This is the Strobe stick. Everyone, this is the final look. Gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi pa ako nagpapa-thread ng kilay. Kaya ganyan siya kagulo. Hayaan nyo na siya na ganyan. Hindi ko talaga mahulaan yung sarili kong shape. Oh my God! Kapag nag-a-attempt ako na mag-shave or pluck ng sarili kong kilay, it turns out like, girl, what happened to your brows? Ganyan yung nangyayari. So, hindi ko siya ginagalaw muna. Susunod na lang kapag nagpa-thread na ako ng kilay. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And, guys, be notified. Turn on the notification bell because I will be uploading new videos anytime soon. So, that's it. If you have any other suggestions on what I should be filming in my channel, please feel free to comment it down below. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye!